to you by the letter O, as in, oh my God. Oh, you better sit down, take a deep breath. We're talking about a fate worse than death. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. Oh, what is his social IQ? Oh, you better watch out, hang on to your purse. His sanctified greed is sure to get worse. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. With little tin cups and offering plates, it's enough to make Moonies regurgitate. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. He even looks like a pig. He wants a tax exemption and Georgia bankers' loans, so he can preach redemption through his homophobic clones. Oh, how much is he getting from me? Oh, if you invest, you'd better buy stock, 'cause property value's going to drop. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. Argentina has this same problem, but they call it dysentery. Oh, Falwell and Reagan met, and they called it Jerry and the Pacemaker. You better watch out, but don't be afraid. Just arm yourself with a big can of Reed. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. Well, I've seen a big flood, seen a big blight, but I've never seen such a big parasite. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. We don't want him in Georgia, it's very plain to tell. When even Jimmy Carter says he can go right straight to hell. Do not pass go, do not collect $200. Oh, whoever thinks he should be the poster child for birth control, sing, oh, there's always the clap and always herpes, but I think he's a far worse social disease. Jerry Falwell's coming to town. The kids in all Atlanta would have a jubilee to deck his halls and roast his nuts in the fire on Christmas Eve. Oh, let's all play radiologist. Now, how many non-hypocritical bones does he have in his body? Oh, to those who might think this ditty is cruel, well, look at the love they teach in his school. Jerry Falwell's coming. Jerry Falwell's coming. Coming. Throws a whole new light on orgasms, doesn't it? Ooh. Jerry Falwell's coming.